In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring events in Notion Calendar. If you've ever found yourself recreating the same meeting or task week after week, Notion's recurring database templates can save you time and keep your calendar consistent. First, open the database your calendar is based on. In Notion, a calendar is simply a view of a database, so make sure you're looking at the calendar view of the database that holds your events. This ensures anything you create or automate will show up exactly where you expect it. At the top of the database, find the New button. Click the small arrow next to it to open the template options, then choose New Template. This is where you'll design the event or page that you want to repeat. Give it a clear name, add your date or date time property, and set any other properties you rely on, like status, tags, location, or who's attending. You can also add content to the page body, agenda outlines, checklists, link previews, or notes, so every occurrence starts with the same structure. Think about what you want to see every time the event appears and build that into the template once so you don't have to recreate it later. When your template looks good, open the three-dot menu for that template. Choose Repeat, then pick how often it should recur. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or set a custom pattern. Weekly is perfect for recurring stand-ups or classes. Monthly works well for billing or reviews, and custom is useful if you need something like every other Tuesday. After selecting the frequency, set any options you need, such as specific days of the week, the start time, or any timing rules your workflow requires. The repeat settings control when Notion generates new entries. The template controls what those entries look like. From now on, Notion will automatically create new pages in that database according to your repeat settings, using your template as the starting point. Each generated event is a normal database item, so you can move it on the calendar, edit details, or add notes without affecting the template itself. If you ever need to adjust the structure, open the template again, make your changes, and they'll apply to future occurrences. That's it. By combining a well-designed template with the repeat options, you'll keep your calendar accurate and reduce repetitive setup. Build once, set the frequency, and let Notion handle the rest so you can focus on the work that matters.